In this chapter, we will learn about job role of a night auditor, cashier activities of a night auditor, procedure of night audit.
Who is a night auditor? The FOE on night duty is entrusted with the job of handling the duties as the front desk agent as well as back office accounting duties.
As a night auditor, he or she should be familiar with night auditing in addition to the duties of an FOA, like answering the phone, booking reservations, and checking guests in and out. Night auditing involves guest accounting. This involves accurately posting room fees, related taxes, and other paid services, including restaurant, internet, and resort fees, to each guest's account daily. Hotel financials. As a night auditor, you ensure that company billing procedures are followed and create financial reports in accordance with the company guidelines. You should also be familiar with accounting details, the operational procedure, and credit restrictions. Ensuring guest satisfaction. Night auditors have the responsibility to ensure guests have positive experiences. In addition to greeting them warmly and anticipating their needs, you also have to answer their questions about dining, entertainment, and directions. Audit process and its features. The audit is a daily review of guest and non-guest account transactions recorded at the front desk against revenue transactions. In hotels, the front office executive maintains the night audit. As the late evening or night hours have less inflow or outflow of guests and follows the audit jobs to be performed without any hindrance. The daily charging period of hotel is the hotel day, or otherwise called accounting day. The night closes the books on one hotel day and opens on the other. Features of night audit. Night audits have certain distinctive features. The first one is establishing end of the day. The FOE must establish an end of the day so that the audit process can be completed in time. Secondly is cross-referencing, which refers to comparison of data or vouchers posted across other platforms like guest, master, non-guest, and employee folios. Third is account integrity, where FOE needs to cross-refer and balance account postings. The next feature on the list is guest credit monitoring. Hotels establish lines of credit or credit limits for guests and non-guests. At the close of each business day, the night auditor shall identify guest and non-guest accounts that have reached or exceeded assigned credit limits and shall also prepare a report about high balance accounts to be evaluated by management. Last but not least is the net outstanding balance. Here, the night auditor has to add the current business day's debits with the previous business day's balance and then subtract the credits of the current business day from the result. Night audit procedure. The main objectives of the night auditor is to correct front office accounting errors and create accounting and management reports. Every hotel follows certain steps while conducting night audits. Generally, the following steps below are followed while conducting night audit at a hotel. Step number 1 is to complete outstanding postings. The night auditor must confirm about the posting before starting audit process. Step 2 is reconciling room status discrepancies, as errors in room status can lead to loss of revenue, confusion at front office, or omission in posting. The third step is to verify room rates. The night auditor completes a room revenue and count report. This shows the rates and selling prices of rooms. The fourth step after verifying room rates is to balance all departmental accounts. FOE balances all front office accounts against departmental transaction information. The fifth step is to verify no-show reservations. Night auditor is also responsible for filing and posting charges to no-show account against duplicate reservation, duplicate date entry in case of misspelling of guest's name. The sixth step of the procedure is to post room rates and taxes. Posting of room rates and taxes take place at the end of the day. In the seventh step, the night auditor prepares final departmental detail and summary report, taking into account the daily operations report, high balance report or high risk report, group occupancy report and VIP occupancy report. Preparing cash receipts for deposit is the eighth step of the procedure. Here, the night auditor prepares a cash deposit voucher as part of the night audit process. He compares the posting of cash payments and paid outs with actual cash in hand. Next step is to clear or back up the system. This is done by simply moving the closing balance from night audit report to the opening balance of the next day's report. The last and the final step of the night audit process is to distribute the report. Since the front office information is sensitive, the night auditor must deliver reports to authorized individuals. Duties and responsibilities of night auditor. The duties and responsibilities of night auditor of a hotel are a bit different from other internal auditors of an organization. A night auditor performs the following functions. Room audit is determined by checking the room sale of the hotel with the help of guest registration card, guest arrival sheet, guest departure sheet, housekeeper's report, night receptionist's room sales report. Audit of departmental credit is calculated by charging credit sale in each department like restaurants, bars, room service, telephone, swimming pool of the hotel at the front desk. Verifying of all brought forward balances of guest accounts with the corresponding carry forward balances of the previous day. Checking of the credits to the guest account by checking allowances, cash payments or transfer to City Ledger. Checking of the daily trial balance by reconciling both the charges and credits to the guest accounts. Preparation of the daily sales recap based on the departmental sales records submitted for verification.